Hey there folks, Peter here with BlackRock Business. I am so excited that you showed up at our page today so that we can talk about this wonderful piece of hardware. What we got here is the QuickBooks Point of Sale Cash Drawer. Excellent piece of hardware, certified by Intuit. I'm going to tell you about some of the features and characteristics of this piece, but hold on, because after that I'm going to tell you some of the wonderful bonuses you're going to receive from BlackRock just for purchasing this drawer today. This drawer happens to have 5 bill slots inside in the cash drawer. We also have 5 little pockets there for your coins. Excellent place to put your coins, especially when you're doing transactions. I'm going to point out that we have 2 media slots in the front here, and that could be for your credit card transactions or checks. You can just slide them in there, don't even have to open the drawer. Now this comes with a kick cable. What the heck is a kick cable? Well, a kick cable is where you hook your cash drawer up to your receipt printer, and when you are doing a transaction, it is automatically going to kick the drawer open so that you can easily and efficiently put your cash and your change inside the drawer. You don't have to open it up with a button or a key every single time. But speaking of keys, this drawer does come with a set of keys, so if you are transporting your precious cash to some other location, or if you're leaving cash in overnight, you can certainly lock the drawer at night and open it back up in the morning or when you're done transporting. All of these pieces are excellent. This thing is going to do everything it needs to for your retail establishment. But now I'm going to get over to the bonuses. This is the really exciting part. If you buy this drawer today from BlackRock Business, personally, I'm going to invite you to jump into our QuickBooks Point of Sale Elite Insiders group. This is a community on Facebook where you can ask questions or talk about errors or workflows. You're going to get direct responses from me and other community members. It's going to be an excellent dialogue, a great learning experience, and we're doing this because we want to come alongside you and help you in your retail situation. We want you to succeed. That is the point here. This is not just a cash drawer. You are buying into a family of techs and people who want you to succeed, and we will be there to answer every question and talk about every situation that you can come up with under the sun when it comes to QuickBooks Point of Sale. Beyond that, we sat around the table here at BlackRock and we were like, what else can we do? We're going to come alongside them and we're going to answer questions, and it's going to be great. We're going to cover the point of sale portion of this. What else can we do? We want to go above and beyond. So we came up with the idea. We have a 59 lesson training set that normally we charge over $600 a year for this, for people to get in on this training. But we are going to give that to you absolutely free just for buying this piece of hardware from us today. That's right, a 59 lesson training module set for QuickBooks accounting, so that anything on the back end in the QuickBooks accounting program that you want to cover or figure out, you can just look in the modules, look in the table of contents, find out where it teaches you exactly how to do that. We're going to cover everything on the front end with the point of sale in the community, and then on the back end in the QuickBooks accounting with the training set. So jump on this puppy today, go ahead and make your purchase, and I look forward to seeing you in the community very shortly. My name's Peter with BlackRock Business. You have yourself a swell day. All right, bye-bye now.